Hey everyone, and welcome to the Explainer. Today we're diving into a tool that could seriously change the way you do research, Google's AI-powered NotebookLM. Let's get right into it.
You know the feeling, right? You're deep into a project, and before you know it, your screen is just this sea of open tabs, articles you've downloaded, videos you've half-watched. Trying to pull all that information together into something coherent can be, well, completely overwhelming. Well, what if you had an AI assistant that was built just for that kind of chaos? That's precisely the idea behind NotebookLM. It's designed from the ground up to be your own personal, super-focused research partner. So what is it, officially? At its heart, NotebookLM is a tool that helps you make sense of your own stuff. See, it's not about scouring the entire internet for answers. It's about digging deep into the specific materials that you give it. And that right there brings us to the most important point. The one thing that makes NotebookLM totally different from other AI chatbots you might have played with. It's all about being grounded. Okay, so this slide really gets to the core of it. A general AI, something like Gemini, has been trained on a massive, unbelievable amount of information from all over the internet. NotebookLM, on the other hand, it only knows what you tell it. You feed it your sources and it becomes an expert just on that material. That means you don't get irrelevant answers, and you avoid what AI people call hallucinations, which is just a fancy way of saying the AI starts making stuff up. Here, the answers are always tied right back to your documents. And this really nails the true power of the whole thing. You're not just uploading files into a folder, you're actually building a personal, interactive knowledge base. It's like you're hiring a research assistant, and instead of sending them to a giant library, you hand them a specific stack of books and articles and say, this is all you need to know. So what can you feed this thing? Well, it's pretty versatile. You can upload your PDFs and Google Docs, sure, but you can also just drop in links to websites, pull in YouTube videos, or even just copy and paste raw text. It takes all these different formats and brings them together in one place. And we're not talking about just a few files here. Each notebook you create can hold up to 50 separate sources. Just think about that. You could combine 50 different research papers, articles, and video lectures into a single searchable brain. The potential is just massive. Okay, so the concept is awesome, but how do you actually use it in the real world? Let's break down 5 really practical ways you can put NotebookLM to work. The applications are all over the map, from something as personal as journaling all the way to optimizing business processes. For today, we're going to focus on 2 of the most powerful examples: planning your career and, of course, studying. Let's start with career planning, because this is a really clever use case. You can take your LinkedIn profile, just save it as a PDF, and upload that into a new notebook. And just like that, the AI is now an expert on one thing: you and your professional history. And then you can start asking these really high-value questions. Instead of just spitting your skills back at you, it can actually analyze them in context and suggest new career paths or skills you should develop, all based only on the experience you gave it. That's the key. The advice is tailored specifically to you. All right, next up is probably the most obvious, but honestly, maybe the most powerful use case of all: studying. For any student or researcher, this tool is an absolute game changer. I mean, just imagine uploading all your lecture notes, your required reading, and a few key videos for a class. NotebookLM can instantly create a study guide that pulls from all those sources. It can make you practice quizzes with the answer keys, but the real magic here isn't just the convenience. It's about getting back all those hours you'd spend just summarizing stuff, so you can focus your brain power on thinking critically and finding those deeper connections. It really turns studying into a conversation. And check this out, this feature is pretty wild. No matter what you're using it for, NotebookLM can take your sources and create an audio summary, basically a private mini podcast about your research. It can even create a little debate between different authors or viewpoints from your documents. Perfect for studying on the go. Now, this tool isn't just sitting still. It's getting new updates all the time. Google is clearly investing a lot in it, so let's take a quick look at some of the newest features they've added. So the last few months have been pretty packed. Back in April, they added the ability to automatically create these interactive mind maps from your sources, which is great for visual learners. Then in May, they finally launched the mobile app for both Android and iOS. And just this month, they rolled out notebook sharing, so you can send your research to someone with a single link. Super useful for collaboration.
So, are you ready to give it a shot? The best part is that getting started is incredibly easy. Let's just walk through the steps right now.
Seriously, it could not be simpler. You just go to the website, sign in with the Google account you already have, and you're in. That's it. From there, you create your first notebook and start adding all those sources we've been talking about.
Okay, the big question, what's this going to cost? The really great news is that there's a very powerful free version that anyone with a Google account can use. If you end up being a power user and want to build this into your daily routine, there's a pro plan. It's about $20 a month, and it gets you a lot more of those audio overviews, some advanced chat features, and better analytics.
So let's just end on this thought. The real promise of NotebookLM isn't just about organizing your notes better. It's about having a real dynamic conversation with your own information. It's about taking all that static text and turning it into an active partner that helps you learn and create. So the real question is, what would you build with that?